Hey everyone, in this brief tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to steal wholesale suppliers from your competitors on Amazon. Now I've been running my course and my blog for a long time now, and the common questions that I get asked is, how do I find suppliers in other countries outside of Asia? Where are the big box stores getting all their cheap goods from? And how do I know whether a supplier is reputable or not? And how can I negotiate lower prices with my suppliers? Now, thanks to Jungle Scout's new supplier database, there is now an inexpensive way to answer all these questions, and that's what I plan on doing in today's video. Now, if you want to follow along step by step with my tutorial today, what I first want you to do is go over to my blog at mywifequitherjob.com and click on Tools and Products I Love. Then scroll down, and I want you to find Jungle Scout, and I want you to click on this link here to get $20 off per month for the web app, and it should cost you only $29 a month. But realistically, once you have your suppliers, you really only need to sign up for this tool for a single month to get the benefits. And for only $29 a month, it is a no-brainer to have access to these suppliers. All right, with that in mind, once you are signed up, you want to head over to the Jungle Scout tool, and this is what it looks like once you're on the inside. And what you want to do is you want to click on Find Suppliers. And then you want to click on Supplier Database. All right, so let's first find an item to look for on Amazon that we want to find the supplier for. So I'm just going to type in garlic press. And I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to choose this one right here. It's one of the best sellers. It's got 733 customer reviews. But I want to know where this vendor is getting their garlic presses from. And I notice it's from a company called Mitba. Right? So what do? I go to the Jungle Scout web app and I just type in company Mitba. Okay. Now the Jungle Scout supplier database did not return anything, most likely because Mitba is not the legal name for the company. So this is where you have to do a little bit of research here. So what I do is I type in Mitba trademark. And then I click on this link. And what I'm doing here is I'm looking for the legal name for Mitba kitchenware. All right, I notice that the trademark owner is Galati Adi. All right, so now I go back to the Jungle Scout web app and I type in Galati Adi, and sure enough, his company shows up. And this is actually all the companies that he uses to import kitchenware from China. So from here, I just start clicking on the factories and see exactly what Galati Adi is actually importing into the United States. Now what's cool about this tool is that it tells you every single shipment that Galati Adi made from this particular manufacturer. And sure enough, he is importing garlic presses from this factory. The last shipment that he made was for 153 cartons weighing almost 2,000 kilograms. All right, and so this is the supplier, Shanghai Shindig International Trade No. All right, so as you can see, this tool is super powerful. You can just type in one of your competitors and out comes the factories that they are using to actually source products. All right, and so oftentimes this is actually a much better way to find your suppliers than just typing them on Alibaba, because these suppliers are actually already pre-vetted by your competitors. So if we go back to the supplier database, you can actually search by product as well. So if I type in garlic press as the product, you'll notice that these factories, which are used by very reputable companies like the Pampered Chef, Sur La Table, Dixon Ticonderoga, and Kitchen Supply Go, they all get their garlic presses and kitchen products from Good Things International and Wonder Household Ltd. All right, so guess what? That means these factories are reputable because a lot of the bigger names are actually using these factories. And as you can see here, using this tool, you can quickly narrow down which factories that you want to work with and which ones are going to be reputable. Now what's cool about this is once you click on the factory, it'll actually show you the amount of shipments that this factory makes to the United States. And in general, the more shipments that it makes, that means that that particular factory is used to shipping products to the US. And in general, those are the factories that you want to work with. Now keep in mind, these large customers like Good Things International, they tend to cater to some of the larger vendors, so chances are their MOQs are going to be higher than the rest. But rest assured, if you look for competitors on Amazon, chances are you'll find a factory that meets your MOQ requirements. All right, so I hope you guys found this brief tutorial on the Jungle Scout supplier database useful. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, you can actually sign up to take my free 6-day mini course on e-commerce, which can be found over at mywifequitherjob.com/free. It is a very comprehensive tutorial and it is free, and there is both a beginner, intermediate, advanced version of the class to suit all skill levels. All right, thanks a lot. That's all I got.